The 2005-2009 Buick LaCrosse uses transponder keys equipped with an encrypted chip that communicates with the car's security system. If you've lost all your keys, programming a new one yourself is challenging due to GM's anti-theft protocols that require specific authentication. Modern DIY approaches use affordable OBD2 scanners and smartphone apps, but completely bypassing the system without a working key requires a PIN specific to your car's VIN or a full anti-theft reset. Attempting this carries a risk of triggering the anti-theft system, potentially immobilizing the vehicle. While some users achieve partial success with generic key programmers, full reprogramming without dealer tools is difficult and often requires professional assistance. If you have no working key, you'll need an OBD2 scanner with key programming software, a blank transponder key cut for your ignition, and potentially your VIN-specific PIN obtainable from GM or a dealer. First, connect the scanner to the OBD2 port to enter programming mode. The process may require precise timing during ignition cycling. Success stories involve users obtaining their PINs and using aftermarket scanners like Autel MaxiSys. However, many DIY attempts fail, especially with older software or incorrect PINs, potentially bricking the car's computer. Experts caution that DIY key programming on older GMs carries a risk of stranding you if mistakes are made. Always verify ownership to comply with anti-theft laws and consider consulting a professional if unsure.